So welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show how you can actually install antenna channels on your master decoder. So with a master decoder you have two different options that you can actually get the signal from, or the channels from. You have the satellite option using the satellite dish, and we have the antenna option using your antenna port to get the digital or the antenna channels. So with the antenna, whether you have a fixed antenna with a signal on it, or you are about to install a new antenna without having any signal at all, this tutorial will actually show you some quick guide on how you can get a signal and then get some channels that is available in your area to watch. So all you have to do is to mount your antenna anywhere that you're supposed to mount your antenna, provided there is a signal over there. Connect the cable really well, then connect the cable, the other side of the cable, at the back of your master combo decoder, which is the antenna input, ANT input. At the back of your master combo decoder, you have two different ports that you can use it to receive the signal, which is the LNB port for the satellite dish, and then the ANT for the antenna signal. So connect your antenna cable from your antenna port onto the ANT port of your master combo decoder, and then you pick up your remote, you press on the menu button, then you follow the process. So you come to the menu here and use the arrow top and down key, look for installation. So when you find installation, you press OK on it, and on the right side of the page we have the DVB-S2, DVB-T2, and then DVB-C. So with the terrestrial or the antenna, you need to select the DVB-T2, which is terrestrial second generation, or the C, which you can use both menu to do the settings. So the S2 is for the satellite, which is your satellite. So you can select either the C or the T2. All right. So you come here to the T2 page, which is the terrestrial page, and here, since you don't have any particular frequency that you are trying to track, and you are trying to get a signal randomly from turning your antenna pole around, all you have got to do is to perform an auto search on it. And with the auto search, we have different country folders that they have installed frequencies in it. So here we have Togo. If you select Togo, the Togo folder doesn't have much of the channels or the frequencies in it, so you won't get access to more of the channels that is available in your area. So you need to change the country from Togo to either England, France, or Italy. All right, so you select it over here, and then with the frequency, if you know a particular frequency that you are trying to track or monitor, you can edit it over here and then change the bandwidth to 8. But since you're gonna do a random search for the signal, you need to use the auto search, which you need to ignore the editing over here. Just turn it to auto right there, then you proceed. So here you need to wait for the scanning to complete, and then you get to know which channels that you were being able to get from your antenna. So after performing this and you're unable to get any channel from the antenna, the problem is very simple. You are not having a signal from the antenna pole, which is supposed to be getting you some channels on your decoder. So the simple trick or simple thing that you need to do is to raise the antenna or change the antenna position, the place whereby you never got any signal, direct it towards another position, and then do the auto search. If you don't get it, turn it to another position, do the auto search. Do this 360 wise until you reach a position whereby you're gonna get some signal. If you don't get it at that level, you raise it up to another level, you do this 360 wise, you perform auto search. If you don't get it, you can bring it down below that level to search whether you're gonna get the channels or the signal from that area, and you are good to go. So that's it. If you find this video helpful and you are new here, all you have to do is subscribe, you hit the bell icon, you share the video on other platforms, and you keep coming back for more. So you need to wait for the scanning to complete. Then you press exit to save, and you got to enjoy your channels. So the number of channels will depend solely on the signal quality and the signal strength. So if you don't have much of the signal quality, it will actually reduce the number of channels that will be available on your decoder. As you can see here, you have only 29 channels, which indicate that there is few signal quality from the, or the signal strength from the antenna. So all you have to do is to still do some adjustment with your antenna, turn it around a little bit to get enough of the signal quality, which will enable you to get more of the free channel that is available on the terrestrial or the antenna platform. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, subscribe and you can come here for more. Thanks for watching.